Oh, when things fall into place, it feels so right. And oh, the challenges when they don't. What's actually happening then is you may be outgrowing a situation. And this card, when it shows up, will tell you exactly that. It's the right fit card and one of my favorite in the deck. You know, when a pair of shoes just fits great, you can walk forward with strength and stamina. When they don't fit, there's a little bit of a limp or a scrunch, or dare I say, you might even fall down. So we're exploring the right fit card from the Oracle of the Lake deck when you outgrow situations or you're feeling uncertain. Most people will think they have to power through wearing the wrong set of shoes. But this card reveals alignment truly matters. The right fit for any situation matters, whether it's the right words, whether it's the right relationships, whether it's the right job, the right fit or the right project, the right fit for who you are truly matters so that you can shine. To wear that right fit, sometimes we need to shift our energy. It's as a fire card. When your fit doesn't feel right, you're not yourself. Think about that, right? When a shirt doesn't fit, right? It's just not you. But when the right shirt fits, you just feel so much better, right? This is about making sure that your authentic self is put into the right situations for you. When it does, you are inspired and unstoppable. And when it doesn't, ugh, things are harder. So ask yourself, where am I wearing the best shoe? What aspect of my life truly is working right now? And why? It will inspire you. So walk in the right pair by scrolling down to the description and hit the link and see how the Oracle of the Lake deck, all of the cards, including the right fit deck card, allows you to feel like you're walking in an old, worn set of sneakers of your true self. And I'll see you in the next card.